it's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining me today. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so today is another special kind of video because it is a collaboration. I haven't done this kind of video in quite a while. A collab, that is. So today I am collabing with the infamous, the one and only Tia Maria, y'all. Tia Maria comes through with the wig tea. Let me tell you that. She's super informative. She has such awesome informative type of videos where she's giving you coaching, lots of tips. She wants you to be well informed on the best ways to wear these wigs. Now, this is not my first time I have collabed with her. This is actually the third, and I am super excited about that. Like, I think we collabed one time last year and then the year before that. So, you know, we've been doing this thing for a little minute. So I absolutely love her content. I love her style. She brings a wide range, a variety of wigs for multicultural, diverse backgrounds. Like, she's bringing it to us, y'all, okay? Make sure you go check her out after you watch this video. You definitely want to see what she got. So today I'm going to be doing another synthetic wig review. It is another unit from Outre from their Melted Hairline collection. I'm reviewing the style MIKAELLA and in the color 1B. Now, I think Tia Maria, I think she's doing Natalia, which is also from the Melted Hairline collection. So, again, you're going to want to go check that out because I had Natalia and I loved Natalia, okay? Definitely a must-see. So, let's go ahead and dive into the review of MIKAELLA, which I am wearing now. Let's get into it. MIKAELLA, let's go ahead and get into my thoughts. This is such a beautiful style with the waves, y'all, which is one of my faves. Bars? Yes, honey. I love a good wavy unit. Look how this is flowing. Look at this. This is so pretty and nice. And it's actually like a human hair dupe. That's another pro. Like, oh, it's just giving me human hair vibes, y'all, all day. Human hair vibes. The hair is super soft, y'all. I'm gliding right through this hair, no problem. This is definitely what I would consider your easy breezy, beginner friendly kind of wig. Lazy girl friendly, y'all. You ain't got to do a whole lot of work at all. Cut the lace, tint the lace, throw her on. Out the door. Hello? Now, for some of the things I can live without with this unit, there is quite a bit of shedding, y'all. Yeah, I mean, at least it's not doing both. We ain't shangling, but we definitely shedding, y'all. We got a little shedding going on. I'm also not a fan of, initially, it looked very silky. So I did go in with my dry shampoo. I don't think I showed that on camera, and it helped a little bit. It still might be giving off a little shine on camera, but in my mirror, in person, it's not as shiny as it was. So yeah, it did come off a little silky at first, so beware. Now let me point out, I don't want y'all to think that it's like a humpy cap up here. Any humpage you see is just my lack of a flat foundation up underneath this wig. My foundation is not that flat. So yeah, I tried to camouflage it, but yeah, my hair is a little poofy up under here, so it may be making the wig appear poofier than it should be. Just being honest, Now let's get into the price. This wig is roughly about $40, y'all. I feel like that's super affordable for the minimal effort and minimal work you have to do with this unit. I mean, it's already a melted hairline unit, which comes with its own perks. As it is, there's nothing glued down on this unit, so glueless is another pro, y'all. Come on. Lazy girl friendly. You ain't got to do a whole lot. This glueless be everything. I'm gonna be real. This glueless be everything. That's really all I got. Like, this wig is super simple and beautiful at the same time. So win-win, in my opinion. That's really all I got. Of course, as usual, I would love to know what you guys think, so let me know what you're thinking down in the comments below. Let's go ahead and chat about Miss Mikaela. Huge shout out again to Tia Maria for doing this collaboration with me. You know I love and appreciate you, girl. Y'all make sure y'all go check out her channel as soon as you get off of this one, okay? You definitely want to see what good she got going. Like I mentioned, her information will be down in the description box below. If you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me this little blue frisbee emoji. I know that's real strange. Down in the comments below so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and you know I love and appreciate you for that. Thank you all so much for rocking with me today. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for me if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video.